October show. Suckers.
Tell them what we're about to do today.
We're about to do a candy challenge.
Someone's about to get blindfolded, and we're gonna put candy in. They're gonna guess what candy they're eating without looking at the candy.
I'm gonna be good at these. I eat a lot of candy.
Who's going to win this challenge?
Me. So do you want to be last or first? You want to be last or first? Who? October.
October's first. You're first, right? All right, let's do it. All right, we got October. October's up first with the candy challenge. So October. Oh, it's sliding off. Here, let me get it. All right, guys, we're about to get started here with the challenge. Right now, I'm gonna fill this plate here with a couple of options right here. We got some cookies here, and we're going to fill it up with maybe a couple options here. Got a Swedish fish there. All right, let's see if she can guess these candies. Let's try. All right, October. All right, are you ready? Guess what candy it is.
The Sour Patch.
No, not a Sour Patch. And try again. Another guess. What?
Candy.
Good. It's candy.
It is candy.
Good job. Good job. You ready for another one?
It's really not. You're supposed to guess the candy, not just say candy. You're guessing the video.
I never seen that one.
Try this one. What is that?
The vitamin.
Yeah. What kind of candy is that?
What did she say?
The vitamins. And this one.
Everyone knows this one. Everyone should know this one.
Square.
A scar.
Square.
You're right. It's the squares.
It's a square, but what candy is it?
That's what she calls them.
Yummy.
It's not yummy.
They're called Starburst.
It's Starburst, kid. Get that straight.
All right, guys, that was October's turn, and she actually didn't get any of them right, but she did recognize the last one as a Starburst. She doesn't call them Starburst; she calls them squares.
I'm so smart.
Next, all right, coming up next,
I'm so smart.
Hezekiah.
I'm gonna win.
We'll see. I'm gonna put up the most toughest candy for this guy.
Alright. You think you can beat us? Okay. I'll still win. I know any kind of candy.
All right, challenge on. Now, are you ready, Hezekiah? Are you ready for this?
Okay.
All right. Well, guys, I've got the candy.
Candy that he will bleed. And you'll never.
I'm trying to push them things up. I see you. Don't be a cheater now. Don't be a cheater. Try this one.
What the heck? You like, which one?
What was that?
Is it a jelly bean?
It's a jelly bean. You got it right. Ding, 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 ding.
For 1 point.
All right. Here's a plate. All right. Let's see
Take
what you
one
picked
at
up.
a time.
All right. You picked up.
One at a time.
Okay, now what is it?
It's those fish things.
What is it called?
Those fish candy.
What is it called?
Fish candy.
Is it
Those
all
fish ones.
What is it called? I even know what they're called.
You know what they called?
They're fish.
Do you know what they're called? Do you know what they're called?
Fish.
Swedish.
They're called Swedish fish.
All right. There's another thing on your plate. Try it.
No,
There's two things on your plate, actually. No.
M&M.
What was that?
M and M.
Yep. There we go. Ding, 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 ding.
One more
Oh yeah, I know the shape of this.
No fan.
Oh, I know this candy. How do you not know this candy?
It's a classic. You don't know this one?
It's the bubblegum stick. It's the bubblegum.
Smarties?
Ding 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 ding.
Hold on, no point.
All right.
Just eat it.
You all have been eating Central.
What is it? Say
Don't
Cedric
call me.
Food?
Don't call me.
Milky Way. Milky Way.
Oh wait, what was the Milky Way?
Wait.
So guys, next up on the list is Cedric. Let's see if he can beat Hezekiah's. Make sure it doesn't move.
Oils in the back.
Okay, well let's do this first, okay?
I'm gonna try some of those. I'm gonna try some of the chocolate. Take a piece of it. Is there seeds in here?
Hook me up with those hardwoods.
This tastes like a
Babe Ruth.
What the heck is that?
It's another bar. Try another one.
Big
I know this.
What's that one?
Butterfinger.
Ding 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 ding. He got it right. 1 point. What is it?
Well, actually, I want two chocolate that has no.
Peanut M&M. All right, try another one.
You got that wrong or correct?
He got it right. Ding ding ding. That one is this. Try it.
I love this one.
What? What is it?
I don't know. What's your favorite candy?
Candy.
And leave a like. Subscribe to my auntie. Click right there.
It's auntie, not auntie.
Thank you for watching this video.
Ooh, Tootsie.
And welcome to my auntie.
Bye.